Okay, so for A, you're looking for below 36. So 36 is about here and below. Okay, so you are going to, now since it's to the left, whatever the z-score gives you, that's the answer you're going to use, because the z-scores always give you area to the left. So if you're shading area to the left, then you're fine, okay? So you should do 36 minus 40 over 5. And you said that was negative 4 over 5, which is negative 0.8. So when you look at the z-score, negative 0.8 is 0.2199. Okay, oops, 0.2119. Oops. Okay, so that is correct. So the z-score always gives you area to the left. Now for B, it's a little bit different because I'm asking you for above 52. So 52 is about here and it's above. So that area is being shaded to the right. So the z-score that I find for this one is actually using this line and to the left. Okay, so the z-score that I find for 52 is actually the probability shaded to the left, okay? So when you find 52 minus 40 over 5, you should get, let's see, 52 minus 40 is 12. 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. So on the z-score, when you do 2.4, you get 0.9918. 0.9918. Now, visually, this does not look like almost 99% of my data, okay? Now, that 0.99918, remember, is all of this to the left, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 and you're going to subtract 0.9918 to get the area to the left, because this whole thing is equal to 1. So if the whole thing is equal to 1 and I give you area to the left, to find the area to the right, you just subtract from 1. Okay, so 1 minus 0.9918 is 0.0082. Okay, so your probability of being above 52 is 0.0082, and that is your answer. Okay, so if it says below or less than, you just look at the z-score and you get your answer. If it says more than or above, you're always going to do 1 minus. Okay, now for C, C is a little bit different. Okay, so it's asking between 31 and 42. So 31 is here, 42 is about here, so it's looking for between. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to find 2 z-scores, okay? So you're going to find the z-score for 42, and you're going to find the z-score for 31. Okay, now remember, every z-score that I find gives you probability to the left, okay? So what I really want to do is I just want to find the probability from here all the way to here. Okay, so I have to use this z-score here to find this much, so that way I can subtract it. Okay, so I'll redo a new picture in a second. So you're gonna do a z-score of 31, and then you're gonna do a z-score of 42. Okay, so 31 minus 40 is negative 9. Divide that by 5 is negative 1.8. You're going to do the same thing here. So this is 2 divided by 5, which is 0.4. So you're going to find 2 z-scores here. So the z-score, find a different color. The z-score for negative 1.8 is 0.0359, 0.0359. And the z-score for 0.4 is 0.6554. 0.6654. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a new curve. So I have this new curve. Okay, so I am saying that I need to be between, so here's my 40. I need to be between 42 and let's say 31 is here. Okay, so my 31 z-score, this is the probability, but that gives me probability here. Okay, and then my z-score of 42 gives me probability of this, which is from here all the way to here. So this part right here, this is my overlapping that I need to subtract, and that will give me this part right here. Okay, so I'm going to say 0.6654 because I have to subtract this double overlapping here. So 0.6654 minus 0.0359, and that gives you your probability. So your probability of getting between those two numbers is 0.6295.